Alright, so this is chunk 3. It's going to be a long chunk. I just went ahead and went all the way to the end with it. Okay, again, I'm going to do it facing you so that you can hear me on this camera. Okay, so we just finished repeating the theme. Okay, and we come in with the different ending. So we're at the 16 count move. Okay, which is going to happen in a ripple. We'll have to look at the drill and assign the counts, but the ripple will be the same for everybody. So we're going to do the double hand change, switch up, we'll cone, and scoop to the angle. Okay, so, and that will happen in 16 counts. I think it should work out so that everybody starts on a count, and the 11th person can go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, might be a little quick. Do a sight ripple. We'll have to look at the drill. The drill's not complete yet. So once again, the ripple is double change, cone, to the scoop, to the angle. Okay, so that happens 13, 14, 15, 16. Then we get to the big 24 count hold. Okay, and so this obviously slows down, and so I wrote some obvious positions to the notes so they can just learn to listen to the notes as opposed to trying to see the drum major while they're spinning and turning. Okay, so if we rehearse it with music enough, they should be able to clean itself up. So 24 count move will slide to the middle of the pole, flourish, flourish, and I'm going to come into my arm this way, and I'm going to step through with my right leg as I push it down and come across. The tip is going to come past my toe. I step again with my left. I open up the flag. I grab the end. I make a big circle. This is the last low note right here. You'll see it when I do it with music. And then we're going to come up slow, slow, slow to the front. And then my left arm is going to open, open, open to count 24. And then on count 1 of the next 12, when we step off, I'm going to drop it. And I'm going to go backhand, thumb down, and then my right hand will be at the tab. Okay? So we have the grab, double hand change, ripple, scoop, 13, 14. The last person finishes on 16. Okay? And then going on from here is the 24 count hold. We're all in our drill set. We're going to lunge and flourish, flourish. From here, it's going to come into my armpit. I step through with my right foot. Then my left foot comes through and open. And this is going to carve to the back. Make a big circle. Hits the last low note here, and then come up nice and slow. The music's very powerful. To here until I rotate my body, I get straight. My left arm is going to open. 23, 24, count 1 of the 12. Okay, you'll see that when I do it with the music. So going into the 12, which is the tempo change, so it's very, very fast. I kind of went for it. Okay, if the ending's too hard, let me know. But I think that it'll probably be the thing they work on for the rest of the season. Okay, so from here, we have 1, 2, and I'm going to fold my left. That's in a backhand. 3, 4, and grab the tab. Then I'm going to canopy over my body. 5, 6. Okay, that'll actually take 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8 is going to lead into a turn. So my body's wanting to turn this way because it's kind of awkward, and it's going to turn 9, 10, 11, 12, keeping the flag flat. Okay, it looks neat when you do it fast, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, into there. Cool, so I'll do it once again from 21, 2, 23, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn 9, 10, 11. I'm going to grab on 12, okay, and then we're at another hold 8, okay, and there's obviously big notes, so I'm going to come up, 1, 2, double hand change. I'm going to step behind and just do a little toe touch, 3, 4, and then take my left foot again and open back into second, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, and that's going to come at you pretty quick at the tempo. Okay, so from here that's 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, 6, 7, 8. Okay, which we've done. Going on, it's a step off, it's a move 8. It's a 2 whole notes. So we're going to come up. It's a little bit different than what we've done. So 1, 2, I'm going to come angle at my face. Okay, at the 45 I'm going to grab money hand. And I'm going to circle around 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pull my left hand to my hip so we get all the way down to this angle. Okay. So again, I have from 12, from here, 9, 10, 11, 12, hold 2, touch 4, circle 6, 7, 8, grab under 2, 3, 4, big circle 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then from here I'm just gonna kind of bring the tip low to the ground and circle it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's flat, and I'm gonna lift the whole pole up as I do a really obvious hand change with my left hand and lift it up. 6, 7, 8. And let's go ahead and keep this at the tape. Okay? So once again, we are here, and we have unwind, 2, 3, 4, big up, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is obviously going into the 20 count move before the big 20 plus count hold at the end. Okay, so this is 8, and then there's a big note that comes in on 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to circle 13, 14, 15, 16 to the angle, which is similar to what we've done except till now. And I'm going to turn, staying flat front, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and those are a little bit difficult to do moving. I found a trick to be 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If we push our right hand up on 18, that'll help us stay in the toaster. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and that'll keep it flat front. Cool. So that 20 goes. This is a pit break and pit break. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Horns come in. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now we get into the last 20. Essentially it's like a 22 count hold, but the last hold. Okay, so it's a little different again. So from here we're going to lunge out and grab thumb down. 1. I'm going to bring it to my waist and scoop across the ground. 2, 3, 4. The tip is going to come back to the end zone, and I'm going to step back 5, 6, and kind of stomp it to the ground, and then come up 7, 8. Will be suspended in the air on my left foot, and then scoop it 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and there's a little pit thing there as well. Again, okay. So last hold, we have lunging. 1, hip 2, tip end zone 3, 4. Go 5 steps, 6, 7, 8. Push it 9, 10, 11, 12. There's a little flip. I can't really do that part slow. Good. Stepping around so the prep is similar. Again, I'm going to switch my hand. 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's go over because that's how we were before. 16, I'm going to toss. 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, catching one-handed. Okay, 20. And I'm going to bring it. I'm going to flourish it up and down. I'm going to stab it into the ground on the angle here. Okay, and that'll be the second to last note. And then from here, I'm going to rest this on my shoulder so it's at an angle across my body, and I'm turned toward my flag. I'm going to rotate my body to the front, which creates a little pocket in my arm. Okay, as I lift this arm up, and the flag will just rest there at the end of the show. Okay, so it's kind of a nifty little ending. So again, from the toss, 13, 14, 15, 16, we said over, over. I'm going to push 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and this immediately has to flourish up. 21, 22. Okay, we're going to grab the flag and secure it into our arm. 22, and then rotate the body. 23, 24. Okay, and that will be the ending. Okay, so we'll do that one more time. Hand. Up. Over. Get it close so it doesn't roll off like it just did. Pull it in here. Create the pocket and rotate. Okay, obviously that'll take practice. Cool, so the last 20 count hold with counts in succession is 1, 2. End zone 4, 5, step 6. Suspend on 8, 9, 10. Catch on 12, 13, 14, over, over. Toss, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24. And I'll do it with music, and that's the end.